If you have added members or email accounts to your YouTube Premium Family Plan subscription, and now you want to remove a person from it, then let me show you how to delete people from your YouTube Family Plan in just a few seconds. So first, open the YouTube app on your Android or iPhone, and the process will be the same on both devices. After that, tap on your Profile Photo or View tab, then open Settings, scroll down and select Purchases and Membership, go to your family membership, tap on Edit on Family Sharing Settings, and here you'll be able to see all the family members that you have added or any outgoing invitations. And from here, simply tap on an account, and if it's an invitation, you can cancel the invitation from here. And if it's an active member, then you can also tap on them and select Remove Member to revoke their permission. Just scroll down and tap on Remove. Then you may need to enter your password and hit Confirm. And the person will immediately lose access from your YouTube Premium membership. So now you can go ahead and invite a different member. And that's how you can revoke someone's YouTube Premium membership from your family plan. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more.